Okay, thank you for the response, Bhaiya. Uh, ca- kindly, kindly mute your mic so that it won't disturb others. Dear participants, kindly mute your mic so that it won't disturb others. Kindly cooperate. Uh, Welcome to Making Ethical Research Using AI Tools 4.2 Advanced Session, Claude in Research. Okay, let me introduce about my company. It's Research Brains. Research Brains is academic research lab uh, support scholars, scholars, particularly in computer science, management, and communication. We support research work from article writing, thesis, patent, book chapter, and proposal writing, funding proposals, and everything related to research. Actually, we are located in both India and Malaysia, and we have tie-up with two universities in Malaysia for research support. And we have supported more than 300 scholars worldwide. And about me, I am Dr. Raja. I had my PhD in Anna University, Chennai, and I am an editorial board member in more than 5 journals. And I have 20 plus publications in reputed journals. And I was a president in JCA chapter last year. And I am an ethical hacker and a zone trainer in JCA. And these are all about me. And once again, welcome you all. Uh, let's get into the topic without much delay. Kindly. I hope the screen is visible to all. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the response. Okay. Mm, uh, so this is the today's agenda. We will be seeing what is Claude and what is Claude in research. Okay, and what is Claude skill in research, and we will be seeing three use cases of Claude, like inbuilt Claude in inbuilt skills in Claude, and we will be creating a skill in live for latex formatting, as we mentioned in the WhatsApp group, and I will be sharing our own skill which we created for Serbu proposal. Okay, okay, let's get into it. Okay, first Claude. What is Claude? Claude AI. How many of you use Claude AI? Can you please use your chat box? How many of you have used um, myself? Okay, good. One person is responded. Anyone else? Okay, no issue. Um, okay, anyone answer what is Claude. Okay, other you may not use it, but you may have heard about this. May have some little knowledge about Claude. Any guessing what is Claude? Okay, it is nice. Sorry, it is noisy. Can you use the chat box, sir? It is noisy. Can you please? Sorry for the inconvenience. Can you use the chat box? Because sir, sorry. Only there is a noise only. There is no voice there. So can you please use the uh, the chat box to respond? Okay, no issue. No issue. AI tool for creating or searching whatever content we need. Okay, good. Good. Thank you for the response. And let me explain. No issue. The AI tool. Okay, good. So, as you people are mentioning, it is a AI tool. It is a large language model developed by Anthropic. Okay. So, similar to ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is, in my knowledge, it is completely different from Claude in two ways. I will explain you in the latter part while we are discussing. Okay. So if you are making a in-depth research, then Claude is more better than ChatGPT like this. Okay, let's understand the difference in the upcoming time. Okay, so it is a large language model. It understands language by transformer model. So, do you know what is transformer model? Do any of you know what is transformer model? Because transformer model is a most efficient and most powerful model in deep learning. So, in my knowledge, deep learning has reached this much fame and this much height using this transformer model only. Uh, so only I'm asking, any of you know what is transformer model and why we are going?
Yeah,
Why
I
we are
think it is encoder and decoder architecture kind of thing, sir. Like transformer model really contains encoders and decoders. Encoders will reduce the size, kind of thing.
okay, sir. Excellent. Thanks for the response, sir. Okay, it is encoder and decoder based only, and the most uh, important point in transformer is it have a very high memory compared to CNN and RNN like that. So it can memorize more data in its model than any other model. So decision can be taken in transformer model more efficiently like that. So compared to CNN or RNN or any other model, this transformer model can uh, can take decisions more efficiently and more effectively like that. This transfer model is invented by Google. Actually, in a research article, they have invented by a team of employees from Google. So with that, this transformer model emerges and it reaches this deep learning into this much high. So most of the research tools they use transformer models only for their operation. So these only act very similar to human. How a human rationally think uh, like this. This human like thinking comes through this transformer model only. It is most interesting model. You can even search in Google like. Okay, so Claude uses transformer model for human like thinking. and it learns pattern from large amount of text and code. As we already know, maybe you people may be aware of pattern matching like that. So it learns patterns to take decisions like that. And also, these Claude is guided by built-in principles, that is constitutional AI, using reinforcement learning. Do you know what is constitutional AI? This is also a most important concept where it differ from ChatGPT. Do any of you familiar with constitutional AI?
Something related to like ethical AI kind of thing, sir?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Ethical and it overcomes the influence of humans. Sir. Let me explain, because like ChatGPT type of model, they they use human influences to take decisions, sir. So if a model needs to take a decision to be a safe decision, it will not be left autonomously to take decisions. Definitely, there would be a human intervention and to take decisions, to take important decisions like that. So, if you are making in this way, there are some drawback in it. So, if it is a large amount of data, it is very difficult for human uh, to take decisions, and it may not be efficient. If manual working may not be efficient in all the cases like that. So Claude uses a built-in principles like that. It won't get influenced by human like that. Even now, you may hear of AI are very racist or like that. So some it is possible to influence by the human to take decision by deep learning model. So Claude try to avoid those type of intervention by building a separate principle using reinforcement learning, so that it will take the decisions by their own. So it would be very honest and it would be very safe, as it is not handled by human. It would be safe and more helpful. So this is how it differs from ChatGPT, like that. Also, it handles very large, huge volume of documents. And if you need to extend your research from one context to another context. For an example, I am making a research in network. I'm trying to implement this in some other different context like medical. This type of context extension can be made using this plot, and it break down complex tasks step by step to handle it, to give solutions. So it would be more efficient than any other AI model. And it connects with many tools. The most efficient thing in Claude is it can embed other AI tools like consensus, like that. It can connect with other tool for their result, so that most advanced workflow can be used in Claude using agent AI like that. So, so this is the Claude. So, Claude is a large language model. So, it is very efficient uh, for document analysis like that. So, how Claude is playing a major role in research. So, in research, as you know, the major part of research is the writing and editing. So, writing and editing in research can be made more easily using Claude. Okay, then logical reasoning and in-depth study, in-depth research can be handled using Claude. Even in the Claude, if you are logging in, it will ask, do you need to make a deep search or shallow basic search like that? So most in-depth study can be made using Claude, and we can get help for coding as well. implementation can be very efficient using Claude, and we can summarize and analyze files. For example, if we are handling literature survey like that, those type of summarizing, and if we need to analyze some files, some data set files, if we need to analyze to take decisions, then this Claude is more efficient like that. And also to make visual understanding, like if you are giving any graph, you need to extract something, or you are or handwriting recognition, like that, many image to text extraction can be made efficiently using Claude. And handling multi-step tasks, like if you need to do more number of things parallelly, then this Claude is a more efficient tool like that. So these are all the advantages of using Claude. Okay, so uh, if you need to use Claude in more efficient way, how to get better result with Claude. So in Claude, you need to make your prompt more specific. If you have ever used Claude, very initially it will ask for your profile. That means who you are. Either you are a student, or you are a researcher, or you are a techie, or you are a non-techie person, non-tech person. Like that, you will be giving your profile. So with that profile persona, it will retrieve result like that. So you should give who you are and what actually you need, what sort of data you are explaining, you are expecting, and how the data should be retrieved. Like that, you have to be very much particular in your context. Then you need to refine your prompt more efficiently. As I mentioned earlier, ChatGPT is not efficient for research because it don't know research language. But these Claude knows more technical. It have more technical skills than ChatGPT. So you have to give prompts more precisely. So you have to refine your prompt. Though you cannot, even though if you cannot give the prompt at first accurately, you have to prune it step by step. If you are giving a prompt in a more generic way at the first step, if the result is not good, then you have to refine it stage by stage to get your desired output. So you have to refine your prompt. Then you have to provide your context. What are all the if you are making a research, you have to give your literature papers like that, and what is the situation. For an example, I am a computer science scholar. I'm searching for a attack based uh, network based attack detection. Like that, if you give the situation what you are trying to search like that, then Cloud would be more efficient. You need to ask step by step reasoning. You cannot get, as I mentioned earlier, you cannot get the output in the first stage itself. You have to make the reasoning step by step, like how this works, and after that, and like that, step by step, you need to retrieve, and you need to follow. It is conversational, as I mentioned. So, like ChatGPT, you can converse with Claude using the prompt. So, how much ever precisely you are giving your prompt, how much ever precise your conversation is, your query will be more relevant. Your retrieval, the solution for your query will be more relevant like that. So in this way, you can make the Claude more efficient like that. Okay. So what is Claude skill? Now we are getting into our uh, topic, Claude skill. Do you know what is Claude skill? Skill? Can anyone just message?
I think it is an agent, sir, like AI agent that we want to add to our thing. Skill is nothing but a kind of AI agent.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, agents are very good. Very particular. Is it possible to give any definition, sir? Because agent is very generic term, I think. Good try, sir. Is it possible to give more, even more precise answer?
It's like
Two different points. Okay. Okay. Good try, sir. Thank you. Let me explain it. Actually, uh, if it is a reusable playbook, we can tell that you can play whenever you need like that. It is a set of instructions that teaches the AI to perform a specific task. Like for an example, if I need to format a document, if I am going to submit, I need to align my document to a Springer template means I will be making that format as a skill like that. So it is a set of instructions. So whenever I need to perform that operation, I will just call like a function. I just call and I can utilize it. This is the skill. That's it. Very simple. It is a set of instructions to perform a specific task like that. So you need to define ones like functions only. Functions are methods in programming language. You need to uh, create one and you use it consistently whenever you need the task to perform like that. Very simple definition. This is the skills like that. It is a set of instructions. So whenever you need to perform a task, you will be calling that skill to perform the task. That's it. So this is the basic thing. And generally, these skill will be of .md5. Okay, like word is of .doc. Skill these skill document would be .md file. Okay, so and it will basically these one file will be there and other scripts may be there. Other scripts or templates or any supporting file will be there. mm, to perform its task. And also there will be two things there, header and body. Okay, header will have its keyword. Like in what keyword should be used to call that skill like that. For an example, this is the I have created here. mm, a skill for Springer format means, so I need to give this as Springer format or journal format. So whatever I need to give keyword to call that skill, I will be giving this in the header. And in giving this keyword in the header, what it should be called, it should be mentioned in the body. That's it. So header will have its keyword and body will having its operations. The functionality will be given in body. This is called this is the structure of skill. Okay. Okay. What is the necessity of Claude skill in research? Why should I go for Claude skill when I'm doing my research? So, so here are the few applications that we will handle using this plot skill. Okay, first thing, obviously, very obviously, research writing or any deep research can be done using this plot skill. I will give you the links of where you can download the supporting skills for research writing. Okay. So for research writing, these skills are very useful. Then reviewing of paper. Uh, for reviewing paper, we have like I have mentioned in the last webinar, we have finished generating a skill for reviewing a research article, either for a SCI journal or Scopus journal. So if I am calling these skills in my prompt and if I am giving a research article, these skill will generate a review command like how reviewer will give review command to you. like that. So it will ask for what sort of journal and how vigorous the comment should be. Like that, it will get input, and with that, it will give you a detailed comment about the article you are uploading. So peer review can be performed using Claude Skills. Then literature review or background research processing, research processor like to make literature review, we can use this skill. Even these also we will discuss in detail in the upcoming slides. So if you need to learn any new skill, like for an example, I'm going to learn about deep learning or transformer model or any new concept like that. I'm going to learn about Photoshop like that. Any new skill I need to learn. So these Claude can be used. It will make you learn step by step. If you are a if you are a if you are a new if you are new to that topic, it will retrieve according to you. If you are a middle knowledge and if you are an expert, like that depends upon your profile. This Claude will support you in learning a new skill like that. Okay, this also we will get into it. Okay, so this is the use of Claude. So Claude maximum it can be useful for either writing a paper and literature review. You can use it for programming. You can use it for code like that. So I think all of the research modules would be covered, either writing or implementation or analytic part. Everything we can make using this Claude skill. Okay, so in this webinar, we are going to perform three use cases of Claude skill. So first of all, we will be discussing what are all the inbuilt skills used in Claude. What are all the inbuilt skills given by Claude AI? Okay. Then we will be showing how to create our own Claude skill. And third, we will be sharing a new skill on SERB proposal checking, not writing, checking checklist like that at the end of this session. So this is what we are going to discuss. Okay. Okay. First one is let's get to know what are all the inbuilt model in Claude. Okay. So we can go for a hands-on training in it. If at all possible, if you people are in near laptop, you can just try to work on it so that you can get even more clarity of how it works like that. Okay, first let me open the class. So this is the website. Wait, I will share it. I will share my browser anyway. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you for the response. So, kindly note, this is the website for Claude. It is claude.ai, okay, claude.ai. This is the website, okay. So, this is the home page, okay. Uh, So first of all, if you need to search anything, here you will be giving the prompt like whatever you need, you can give like ChatGPT. I think you people may not use Claude, but most of you may use ChatGPT. Like whatever you give in ChatGPT prompt, you can give here. Okay. Then how these Claude is more efficient than ChatGPT is? It supports. First, let me explain you in brief about Claude before getting into skills, so that you can understand even more clear. Okay. So this is the home page. So these are all the options in Claude. The most important options are skills and connectors and plugin. Okay. First of all, connector. Okay, connector is the most efficient option, efficient feature in Claude, which is not there in ChatGPT. So this connector is used to connect other AI agents with Claude. I will show you how it works. As I mentioned, these skills, connectors, and plugins are the most important features in Claude. Okay, you can import any skills as I discussed now. Any skills you can import, any connector you can import, and any plugins you need you can import here. Okay. Okay, plugin means small set of plugins for small operations like PDF viewer, any designing like that. I mean financial and then some small set of operations. We will be going for plugin. We are not going to discuss about plugins here. And just giving a brief intro. Then connector means you can connect different AI tools. Like if you can uh, you can not only AI tools, you can connect other tools using these connectors. If you need to connect Gmail, you can connect here Google Drive, Canva, Google Calendar, Microsoft 360, Figma, then Notion, then uh, many Slack. Whatever the tool you need, you can connect it. And the most efficient tool I know is that you need to connect for research, particularly for research is consensus. I think you may be aware of this consensus. Actually, already I have added this consensus tool here. Mm, but you, before working on Claude, please include these consensus tool into your Claude so that your result will be more efficient. So what is consensus? Why should I include this before working on it? Because this is a repository of around 220 millions of review papers are there in consensus. Okay, this is also an AI tool for literature survey. This is the repository of around 220 millions of papers. So if you are including, if you are connecting this tool with the Claude, then you can easily incorporate all the papers. You are including all the papers as a reference with your Claude for searching. So you need to connect consensus before start searching. If you are making any scientific research based, if you are doing any scientific research based application, so this is how you need to connect. For an example, plus connector. Then I have already added consensus. Or otherwise, if you need to add a consensus, click add connector, and you need to select consensus. Okay, browse connector, and give and then search consensus and add here. So then so you need to check here. Actually, I have connected, so it is showing disconnect. You need to give connect here. So by this way, you need to connect, and after connecting, this will be listed here. See, consensus. We need to detach from it. I can off it. Now I need to include it. So I'm just prompting to add it. So, so this connector is a more efficient feature in Claude. Then next one is skills. Okay, skills. Uh, uh, we are just discussing about skills only. As I mentioned, many types of skills are there. If you need to see the existing skills, you can go for browse. Okay, browse means what are all the inbuilt skills are there. We can see learn, skill creator. If you need to create skill, you can you need to include this skill. Learn means I will show you how learn works. Then Canva design, then web artifact builder, then MCP theme factor. Many inbuilt uh, skills are there. Okay, we will be discussing about these learn skills alone now. Okay, skill creator you need to add if you are creating our own skill. In this webinar, we are going to create our own skill. So we will be make using of this skill creator and learn. Okay. So do you have any doubt until this? Nothing. We have just opened Claude.ai and I have just discussed what is the significance of uh, Claude when compared to other AI tools, ChatGPT like that. So we have discussed how connectors work. It is used to connect other AI agents. So we have just added consensus connector uh, with our profile right now, and skills are there. Many skills are there. We are going to uh, check how learn skill is working. So we have added learn skill, and as we are going to uh, create our own skill, we have included the skill creator alone. So this is what we have discussed so far. I think you are following with me. Okay. So this is the basic of Claude. Nothing complicated. Okay. So if you need to, as I mentioned, if you need to search anything like that, you can make use of chat like that. And if you need to store as a project, if you need to build your profile and like if you as I mentioned here project, if I'm uh, making a detailed study of this Claude, then the skill the time may not be there to explain about skill, but I will try to explain the basics of Claude now. So chat is just if you need to chat simply directly, like I need to know what is generative AI or like that. You need to chat something. You can make use of chat, and if you need to create project by uploading your profile, and if you need to make a detailed study for your project, we can make use of that like that. And if you need to use any additional tool like that, you can go for artifacts like that. So like that it works. That you need to know these three things only: skills, connector, and plugin. Okay. So first, let's get into inbuilt model. So we are going to study two inbuilt models: uh, learn model and literature review. These two things we are going to learn now. Okay. First of all, learn. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, so you just say I have info. I will just make it from the scratch. Okay, here I am adding this skill. If you need to add uh, any skill to your prompt, you need to just click this plus and go to skill, and you need to click this skill. skill from the list. By clicking this skill will be added here. Okay, so I have included this learn skill in here. Okay, so by giving the learn skill, I have added, I am going to give this. So I am a new to transformer model and application in deep learning. Can you explain it? So what I am asking to prompt is, by adding these learn learn skill set, I'm just giving a prompt like, I'm new to transformer model and application in deep learning. So can you please explain it like that I'm giving. Okay. With that, this response have arrived. If you are adding this new, what it mentioned is, okay, good starting. How much basic you know about transformer, like that it will ask, and it will start from very basic. How comfort you are with basic, like that it will ask. It will ask a very few simple questions. On answering that question by you, the results will be retrieved according to your capability only. So if you are giving uh, this learn skill while we are giving prompt, it will direct you hand by hand to hand, like that. If you are a fresher, or if you are a intermediate, or if you are an expertise, depending upon and depending upon your profile, these prompt will work. Okay, so it will ask a simple question. If you are asking, if you are responding, it will retrieve the response according to that. Okay, by this way it will retrieve it. So you can see the difference here. I have given the same prompt, but without including this learner skill set. Okay, I have given the same query which I have given in the uh, learn without giving learn. Okay, without giving learn skill, I have given here. You just see the difference. So it is just giving the detailed study of about transformer model. It never worry about my understanding and all. It has given a very general response. If I am not giving this skill, if I am giving this skill, it will help me hand by hand, like that. So this is how it will work. This learn. Okay. Can you understand what I am telling? Simple. If you are giving these learn skill set, it will retrieve according to your profile, according to your response for its query, like that. If you are giving any prompt in the absence of these skill set, so it will retrieve very general response only. This is how it works. I think you may got it. Okay. Then next one is literature review. Okay. So literature review helper is using consensus. I think I have already mentioned about consensus. Can you recap what is consensus? I have mentioned earlier. Can anyone please respond? What is consensus? We have discussed about consensus earlier.
Yes, sir. Already millions of papers trained.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, exactly, sir. Thank you. Thank you for that. Actually, it is a repository. Okay, I will just show you the PPT so that you can understand. Thank you. So for a continuity, I am going to the slide. So we are just checking what is inbuilt model. In inbuilt model, we discussed about learn. Okay, learn. It will help you to learn new skill according to your profile. This is what learn is about. Then next one is literature review. Literature review can be done using consensus. Okay, so we are going to see this uh, second topic in inbuilt. I think everyone is following me. Okay, so let's get into uh, this literature review helper. Literature review helper can be used from the consensus website only. It is not inbuilt in the class. We have to borrow it from the consensus only. I will show you how consensus, how we can import from the consensus. In the PPT, I have this link. I will just share the PPT. You can get the website of where this literature survey tool is there.
Sir, kindly share the screen. We are not able to see your screen.
Yeah, wait, Shivanka, I'm just sharing. Thanks. Okay. So the second topic is literature survey. Literature survey, we need to go to consensus. Consensus also an agent. It is a repository. Okay. It is the repository of some 220 millions of papers. So we are going to use as it is this repository in our Claude to make literature survey. So this is the website consensus.app/home/mcp. No need to worry. I will share the PPT. So in this page, you can find these literature review helper. So in inbuilt consensus have these three features in it. Right?
Sir, please share the screen, sir.
Sir, I think the screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. Okay. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, through consensus, we can perform these three operations like curriculum development, literature review helper, and grant search. I will explain you in brief about all these three features. Okay. So from these only we are going to generate skills to use in class. Okay. So curriculum development means if you have your own curriculum in college, you need to get any papers related to your curriculum means then you need to reach here. For an example, I'm my curriculum have some network paper in it. I need to gather papers related to network or autonomous vehicle. I'm having a paper. I need to find more relevant papers related to autonomous vehicle means you can make use of this curriculum development MCP. Then literature review. So I need to make a detailed study of literature review with the help of some 220 millions of paper means then you can use these skills in your plot. Then grant research. This is the wonderful skills you can use if you are having an idea, if you are having a proposal, then you need, if you are like to get help from these consensus tool to apply for any proposal like that, then you can make use of this grant research skills. Okay, so by just giving a topic, it will suggest. So this is this type of novel ideas are there. You can work this way. What are all the similar funding projects are there in your research area? like that, it is giving. It is a wonderful option. You can just check it. Grant research. From these three, we are going to learn how these literature review helper works. Okay. So from this, you need to download this prompt. Okay, download prompt you need to give. It will be downloaded. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I am not going to download. So you will be downloading it. Okay, you just download in anywhere in your system. Then you need to go to your Claude. Okay, I'm just leaving this. So you need to use this Claude from your download. Okay, so how you need to uh, add this skill from your desktop means you need to give manage. Okay, so you need to go to plus symbol, then skill, then manage. Okay, manage, then you need to add. Okay, you need to give add, and you need to upload a skill like that. Then you need to go click this plus like that. Then you need to give the skill that you have downloaded from that. As I mentioned earlier, mostly the skill will be of dot skill extension. Okay, so already is there, it is showing. Okay, I'm just telling you. Okay, you replace it like that. So this is how you will be uploading a skill from your local disk. Okay, I think everyone is following. Simple will be. I'm just telling once again. Plus going to skill and give manage skill. Okay, then add, then give upload a skill, and you need to browse, and you will be giving it. That's it. So by giving this, your literature review helper will be added here. Then you need to add. You need to click here. By clicking, it will be added. So you need to check whether my literature review helper is added. Yeah, successfully added. Okay, so you need to click that to include that with your prompt like that. Okay, so I have now I have imported that literature review helper skill. You just remember we have imported these from consensus. Okay, so now you are going to give this keyword. I'm just giving these keyword as make a thorough survey on idea of detecting attack in autonomous vehicle using transformer model in deep learning like that. Okay, by giving this, just to show you. Mm, mm. I need to check whether the consensus also is connected. Okay, it is connected. So I have connected this skill as well, and I am just giving enter. So it will make a detailed study uh, of my context, like attack detection in autonomous vehicle using transformer model in deep learning like that. So it is asking, should I use consensus for my search like that? I am just giving, yeah, allow like that. So by allowing, it retrieved these results, and I have got a document. I will just show you the result document. Okay. So I'm while including this literature review helper, and while I giving this keyword, I have retrieved a detailed literature survey about in this context as a document like that. I'm just opening that document. Okay, before I will just share that PDF to you. So I have just opened here itself. You can see how detailed the literature survey is made. So what are all the literature, what literature shows, what are all the recent papers related to attack in AV using transformer models, what are all the transformer model, what are all the frameworks used, and what are all the sub areas, and it deep dives into sub areas in AV. A detailed study has been made, and a comparative study between transformer models like that. So a research gap. So whatever the details given in that skill, this retrieval is made according to that definition in the skill. Like that it works. So this is how literature survey skill will work. Okay. So uh, you can see the difference here. Okay. If you observe, I have given the same keyword here. This is the different prompt. Okay. So this is different, and this prompt is different. If you observe, I didn't include that skill, literature skill prompt here. I have retrieved the result. You just check. This contains a shallow literature survey. Like a research article, it is retrieved, but their output would be shallow like that. We have given very basic, very general literature survey will be made if you are not using that skill in your prompt. So this is the difference. I just thought of showing you the difference. So I have retrieved both the results using skill and without using skill. So just a tabulation of uh, whatever it is, open challenges like that it made. So that is that skill based is made depending upon the skills mentioned, depending upon the definition given in the skill like that. So both stuff, much difference are there between skill based retrieval and without skill based retrieval. So this is how inbuilt skills works. Okay. So the next one is I'm just sharing the PPT. Oh, sorry. Sorry, the mic was mute. Sorry. Okay, so these two things we have covered. Okay, so not only this, if you need to use any data set like that for your research, you can make use of these skills. In GitHub, there are many skills are there. I will share this link in the PPT. You can make use of it. Many skills are there, like scientific agent skill, content writing skill, data set skill, whatever you need, you can, whatever inbuilt skill you need, you can make use of this. I will share you the link. Then next one is creating skill for latex formatting. Okay, we will make it in live. It is, to be frank, it is very simple only. Okay, by just giving a prompt, it will generate uh, a skill. Okay. So it is very easy. It is very easy to wait, I will try. Mm. Very easy to generate a latex skill. Okay, you need, as I mentioned earlier, if you need to create your own skill, can you remember what skill we need to include? I will just show you. You just tell me. So if we need to create our own skill set, can anyone recap what skill I need? I said we need to include. Okay, no issues. This skill creator skill you need to include if you need to create your own skill. Uh, Friends, actually, this skill creation is very useful if you are using in your research. I will just list some applications where you can use this research. If you are making a formatting for your paper, usually you will be submitting in some two or three journals, means two or three publisher, means Springer, elsewhere, like that only I will be publishing, means I will be submitting my paper, means you can create that template as a skill. Okay, so if you are giving your paper as a input, that paper would be formatted in an efficient way. But my advice is, if you are going in for such type of paper submission in Claude, you better you go for subscription model, because I noticed, I read that the in free plan, there is no privacy in it. So, but if you are going for a paid plan, your paper would be much safer like that. So, if you are trying to uh, apply your paper or submit your paper in Claude, please use paid version of Claude. It would be safer like that. It's my opinion. Okay. So we need to give skills, go to skill and need to submit skill creator like that. So with that, I need to give a keyword like create a template for have given wrong case. Need to create a Claude skill for latex formatting of journal. That's all. This is what you need to give. Okay. But the thing is, there would be some hallucination. We cannot uh, believe Claude or any AI tool 100%. Okay. After it is created, you need to check manually whether uh, all the formatting are properly done like that. You have to check manually. You cannot just leave it creating this and formatting your paper and go for submission like that. Okay. So it is asking uh, convert or reformat an existing manuscript into specific journal, write a new paper. Wait, I will just change the prompt. Okay, it is asking, okay, should I, if you are giving a manuscript, should I convert that into a specific journal latex template? Should I make it for one specific journal like that? It is asking. Sometimes we can, for this demo, I'm just giving specific, any specific journal like that. Or a specific family like that. For a demo, I'm just giving like any IEEE or elsewhere or Springer like that. I have given. Let's assume we are going to write make a latex for Springer. Okay, what format is the source usually in? What would be the source like that? So I will be giving my manuscript as a Word document like that. Do you have the journal? No, plot should fetch like that. I don't have any format, so it need to fetch from that. Like that, I have given. Okay, so it will take some time. So it will take some time. So far, we have seen the built-in skill set, and we are trying to create our own skill set. We are creating a latex format. Okay, latex format for a particular journal. We are trying to create a latex format for Springer Nature publication. Okay. It will take some time. Actually, to be frank, I have created a latex format for a journal and submitted last week, and I have got a paper accepted with this. It worked good. Some very few corrections were there in the output, like the tables were misordered. That also I have given as prompt, and I have submitted it. It worked. The paper got through like that. It will take some time. If you have any doubts, please ask. This is bypass AI and opening your site. Okay, I will share it for sure. The recording would be shared at the end of the session. The bypass A and flag check. As I mentioned, I went to I had a premium version of it. Claude is a free software, and we can go for premium as well. Premium is very less cost only per month, 1,700 only. No, you don't. People are telling thank you that it is not the end of the session. Still one more module is there. Kindly hold on. Sir, what time session? Sir, one last topic is there. So, but very simple. I will be just showing the skill that we have created. I will just share here, sir. Nothing to explain. I will just make. I think within some 10 minutes the session will go over. Sure, I will answer, sir. Paper, some people are asking, paper will not show plagiarism. As I mentioned, you try to go for a premium version of Claude. It is some 1,600 or 700 like that only. To be frank, it escaped AI plagiarism, and we have got accepted today. We have got proofreading today. That's it. I have got my latex format generated here, skill generated here. I can save it, and I can use for my later reference. Okay. 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 I will just finish this and I will answer your queries. Kindly hold on. The results are retrieved. I think the screen is visible to all. So I have retrieved the LaTeX formatting of Springer Nature journal. Okay, so we can download here, and we can, as I mentioned earlier, we can select skill and manage and add and upload a skill, and we need to select that skill here. I have downloaded it. Here here it is, and we need to download. That's all. It is included here. Okay, and you need to definitely importing alone is not enough. You need to attach here. You need to include here LaTeX format, and you need to select your research article here, and you need to give prompt like convert this into LaTeX format like that. By giving this, your paper would be formatted. Like that it would work. Really, it is a very easy process. It took some 10 to 15 minutes alone for me. To be frank, some 6 to 7 months back, I took 1.5 days to convert a paper into LaTeX format. Very easy and safe if you are going for paid version. In my knowledge, in my experience, paid version is not getting any plagiarism in my knowledge. So this is how it worked. So we show lively how a skill is created. So this is how the second case study is made. So first case study inbuilt, second case study live creation of skills, and the third is I will just share my so I will just share here. I have generated a skill set for CERB proposal. Okay, if you have created a proposal for CERB, and if you need to evaluate this, so in my knowledge, so I have submitted few papers, a few proposal for SERB, it got rejected. Very few got selected. So with my experience, I have generated a skill. It doesn't mean it will be 100% get sanctioned like that. So with my experience, I have generated a skill. You can, if you really need, you can make use of it. I will share that here. I will share in. They are possible to attach. That is for central government assessment. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is. I think it is not possible to attach the document here, I think. I thought document can be attached here. Yes. It is not possible to attach the document here, I think. Okay, no issues. I will mail you. So if you need, you can make use of it. Okay. So that's all. Some network. Okay. I will share the SERB proposal. So how we have created now like that, I have created a SERB proposal. Okay. Uh, so that's all. So we have discussed. I will just make a small recap of it. So we have discussed what is Claude, what is Claude in research, and what is Claude skill, and what is Claude skill in research, and what are all the use cases. I will just go to use cases of Claude. We have seen three use cases. Okay, inbuilt models and live creation of Claude skills and the use skill generated by us. So inbuilt means we have discussed about how learn skill is used. Learn skill is used to, if you need to learn something new from the complete basic, you can make use of this learn. And if you need to make some literature review, you can use consensus imported in the consent in your Claude, and you can make use of this. These two things we discussed in inbuilt model. And so you can go to this consensus.app/home.mcp to download that uh, that literature review helper skill, and you can import here. Then other models, few other models are there in GitHub. So that link I have mentioned here. Then we have discussed how to create skill for latex formatting, like that we have discussed. And finally, I thought of sharing this SERB proposal. I will share you in mail. That's all about that. Then do you have any query? I will just respond to the queries in chat. Oh, so many queries are there, I think. Indian is Claude Skills supported in all Indian region language or only in English? Sir, I read in English only, sir. Really, I didn't see this in another. But Google Notebook LM works in multiple language, sir. But in my knowledge, Claude works in English only. So 1 second, sir, how to get connected? Okay, connector simple. In the Claude, you need to give plus, and in that, in the drop down, you can go for connector like that. Sorry, just now I'm seeing that. Yeah, for non-collection of processes. Yeah, free Claude working for 5 years only. Kindly make use of that premium version. But to be frank, even results differ from free and premium. You can clearly understand the difference. If you are trying to make a genuine research, I'm not promoting class. I have seen the difference. So only I'm just recommending. Even results also little different only. It is good in paid version like that. Like how accurate is this research? It is our research uh, highly integrated only. It is good only. It is not hallucinated.
Sir, one
Research.
small suggestion, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, what are the things you discussed so far for these three skills, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you share the navigation steps in Word documents, sir, so that we can easily do it on Claude?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I will give the recording, sir. PPT. You need Word document. Okay, I will try to prepare,
Yeah,
sir.
a Word document, sir, that is steps we have done. That is, I think that will be better so that we can easily.
Okay, sir. I will try to prepare a Word document for this, sir. If you are seeing the recording itself, you can easily understand. Seriously, okay, I will try to create, sir. No issues. I will make
Sir.
it.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yeah,
I
yes,
think
sir.
AI content detection is there, na, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Suppose if I give some idea, the AI tool is automatically writing the paper. Okay, that if you give for Turnitin plagiarism, it is detecting that is AI content some percentage.
Sir, as I mentioned, just in
Is
my
there any
opinion,
is there any
sir,
tool here that is a Claude to support provide that one?
sir, I can't understand. What you are telling is it possible to escape AI similarity while using Claude? You are asking, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, as I mentioned, if you are going for paid version, AI similarity is not there. I think, sir, in my observation, you just check how I checked it. I have before submitting my paper in Claude, I have taken AI report. Okay, I have taken an AI report before submission, and after submitting and making this latex conversion, and again I checked the AI. AI didn't change the same similarity ratio only there. It didn't change, sir. So with that I concluded sir. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Sir, consensus you have asked, someone asked, it is a free only, sir. Consensus is free only. How many papers we can, sir? You can, uh, as I mentioned, 220 millions of papers are there. You can make use of it. And also, for an additional information, if you need to make a literature survey for 50 or 60 papers, you can make use of this Claude by giving some set of papers as input. It will generate a literature survey as a Excel sheet itself, sir. For an example, I am giving an AI based autonomous vehicle based some 50 papers as input to Claude, and I am giving prompt as I need algorithm research gap results like that. Some 10 to 15 details you need means you can give as input, and you can just leave it. It will learn all that, and it will generate an Excel sheet, and it will save uh, in your system, sir. It will be it can be saved in your system as well. I think you may understand. So you can give as a input some set of files. You can direct the Claude to extract what are all the details I need. You can give, and aligned to that, it will save that information in the Excel sheet, and it will be stored in your desktop. Like that it works. But but the thing is, it is in paid version only, sir. In paid version only, it is possible. The certificate you will get after filling the feedback form, sir. Paid version 1,700, sir. Oh, that's it. That's it. I think, sir. If I miss any feedback, any query from chat box, or if you like to ask anything, please ask. Sir, monthly, yearly is yearly is better. Some very less and compared to monthly. Obviously, sir. Obviously, all the tools they will give good and if you are applying for yearly only. Feedback from I will share. How to give context of a research effectively. Sir, I can't understand 3 weeks. How add learn in skill set. Can you please explain in detail how to give context of a research effectively? I think you are asking about persona. Okay, if you are using Claude, initially you need to explain who you are. That means, as I mentioned, you have to give this persona. Like I am a researcher. I am interested in doing network-based analysis, or I am a student. Like that, if you are giving some details about you, in project it will be in project. If you are creating a project, it will ask for your profile. Who are you? What is your expectation? Like that, it will ask. If you are giving that input, definitely the results will be retrieved according to that. So there you should give. So in that way, research will be more effective. Result will be more effective. The discount, don't know, sir. No discount. That means it would be lesser than monthly, sir. I think some 1 month cost you can save if you are going for 12 months, I think. I mean, after click on plus, then skills, I want to learn how to get. Ma'am or sir, can you please unmute yourself to ask? You are asking about how to add learn skill with your prompt like that, or what? I can't understand. I think you are asking how to import learn skill in your prompt, I think, by giving plus and go to skill, and you can find that learn skill.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, tell me, ma'am.
Sir, like I click on plus, I find skill. Then when I click on skill, it's showing, not showing learn. It's showing morning skill creator, manage skill, like that only. These three only.
Ma'am, go to manage, ma'am.
Yeah, manage skill. Yeah.
Manage and go to add, ma'am.
Add. Okay.
No,
Add.
no. Add browse. Sorry, ma'am. Go browse.
Okay. Browse.
And you can find learn there.
There, skill creator, Canva creator.
Yeah, you can find learn also
Ah,
there,
yeah,
ma'am.
I got it. That I have to install,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. First, you need to import that. You need to
Okay.
import that, and then after importing, now you need to go to your prompt, and you need to give that again plus skill. You need to attach here in your prompt.
Okay. So in browse we find so many web article, skill article, Canva, this all we can plug in add, sir.
Ma'am, you whatever skill you need, you can add, ma'am.
Okay.
Got it, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
So this premium has so if this free version, no, we can work at only a particular time only, no.
Ma'am, actually, they mentioned as token like that, ma'am. Everything, every request you are asking would be measured by token like that. So, free version have some limited token.
Okay.
After it expire, then it will take at least some. They are just mentioning as after 5 years only you need to rework
Yes.
like that. It
Yeah.
will show,
Yeah.
ma'am. Everything will be considered as token. Even in the paid version, I am using a paid version. If I am creating some 2 to 3 skills, then token will be over like that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Anything else to discuss? Sir, how do you Claude to write a paper for particular journal? Sir, do I make a separate skill for that? Sir, my suggestion is don't completely depend on Claude to write a paper, sir. Gautam, kindly wait. Okay, Gautam, kindly wait. I will just finish these. Okay, kindly wait. I will just finish this and I will get back to you. Sir, my suggestion is 3B. My suggestion is you don't write your paper entirely through Claude. Here, what we do means usually we use Claude for idea generation, research gap finding. Like that, we use it. We won't give just giving a title like a given inside. I need to detect attack in autonomous vehicle using deep learning, using transformer like that. We just don't give that and sit and relax like that. But it won't work. You can generate idea. You can find research gap, or if you need to find the results, if, comparative study from other existing like that we can make, but don't depend completely on Claude to write. It is uh, it is risk of rejection, sir, because journals are using more powerful tool than this Claude and all. Nowadays, within some 3 to 4 hours, we are getting rejection, sir. While submitting at 10 o'clock morning, within some 1 o'clock, 1 p.m., we are getting rejection like that. That much fast they are screening our paper for rejection. Don't completely depend on AI, sir. Manoj, sorry, Gautam, tell Gautam what you are asking. You are asking about tool for literature survey like that, right? Consensus is a effective tool for literature survey. It depends, Gautam, because if you need to, as I mentioned earlier, if you need to uh, extract some few details from the paper, you can make use of this. Uh, Sorry, Gautam. Claude can be used. Then notebook LM can also be used. I'm not audible. Oh.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, tell me, ma'am.
Sir, if you want to add consent, sir, what we have to do? We have to go to the consent, sir, download it, then it will come.
Ma'am, connector there, ma'am. In the
Yeah.
connector, in connector you have to go and import it, ma'am.
Okay.
Connector, add connector, and you have to find find consensus and add it, ma'am.
Okay.
Gautam, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, tell me, ma'am. Tell
Okay.
me, ma'am.
So if you want to create new project, what we have to go click on new project. We have to add it and we have to give a name like that.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
But sir, for the free version, it will take only few. It won't take another if you want. So all for this, we have to go for a premium version, right? If
Sorry,
I
ma'am.
have, so I have already created 3-4 project. But
Okay.
when I looking for a new project, it won't be taken. Showing as upgrade the unlimited
Yeah,
project.
yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If you need to add more projects, then you have to go for paid version, ma'am.
Okay.
Gautam, okay, simple. You can use Claude, Claude AI or uh, connected papers like that. Wait. Connectedpapers.com. If you need to find the relationship between two papers, relationship between set of papers, you can go for connected papers. Claude for literature, I'm telling. Claude AI, whatever we have discussed now. Then Notebook LM, Google Notebook LM is good. And consensus is as we discussed today, it is effective tool. So in my knowledge, the consensus ranked one as it is having so many papers and Claude AI and then Notebook LM. So this is the priority of my consensus, Claude and Notebook LM.
Sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So you're saying no connector. We have to click on it. Then we have to go to add connector. From add connector, browse connector, and add custom connector. Where we have to go?
Connector, add connector, browse
Uh,
connector, ma'am. Browse
browse.
connector,
Uh,
browse connector and search consensus and give, ma'am.
okay.
Okay, is it all? Shall we end the session? Okay, I think
Sir, sir,
we are
can
at
I
the end of
ask
the.
a question?
Yeah, yeah, sure, Shivangi.
Yeah, actually, we were talking about consensus, right? So just I have a doubt, like,
Yeah,
is that data what consensus is providing, is that relevant? Can we rely upon the script, upon the literature survey we are trying to get from the consensus? Will that be?
Shivangi, your voice breaking, Shivangi. Your voice is completely breaking.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'll repeat my question
Sorry.
again. I'm just asking, like, we use consensus for writing a literature review, as what I have gained the insight from your inputs, right? So if we are writing the literature survey using consensus,
Yeah,
like, is that data from which the consensus has been built upon and he is going to produce the literature survey for us, will that be relevant to rely upon that data? Will it be, like, in my words, can we trust that data? Can we trust that literature survey, what consensus provide? Because it is purely built upon some n number of papers, what it has been given as an input, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So upon those
yeah.
inputs, the literature survey, what we are going to get about our own topic, about our own query, what we are going to fetch from the consensus, can we rely upon its result? How long, how much can we rely upon that result? That is my question. I have a doubt in my mind, like, will that data be relevant? Will it be trustworthy?
Good question, Divankar, really. Actually, to be frank, we may rely on AI in my knowledge. In my knowledge, we can rely on AI for some 70% only. 30% we have to do some homework to check the integrity of it. Is it correct? Is it precise? How much accurate? Like that, we have to cross check it, because no AI tool can give 10% precise output. Even it is checking, even though it is checking from the making literature survey from huge volume of research article only, but still it may have some it may have some hallucination. It may not be that much accurate. It's our duty to check the integrity of it. 70, in my point, 70% we may rely.
Okay. So, do we have any platform, any tool, any platform where we can just cross-verify the work we get from consensus, other than just checking on with plagiarism?
No, you cannot check the integrity of the work using other tools. Even if you are relying on some other tool, it will also be the same issue.
I'm getting the point what you're trying to say. Yes. So again, that will be the same scenario. We have to rely only 70% upon that result, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
That's
Fine. Thank you, sir.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank
Sir, one
you. Yeah, please.
Sir, when we download the literature, we help us from the consensus. One file is downloading. When we are trying to add using skills, it is asking .md file, sir. But the downloaded is not the .md file. Sir, I have downloaded literature review helper from consensus.
Consensus, what you have downloaded, ma'am?
Literature review helper. In the three we have, that is curriculum and the literature review and one more. So in that I have downloaded the literature review helper.
Okay, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
So when I trying to add it, like using skills, manage, add and upload skills, it is asking .md file, but the file which I downloaded earlier is not a .md file.
Ma'am, you cannot. Ma'am, you cannot download papers from consensus, and you are
not papers, sir. I have downloaded. I have three workflows are there in consensus: curriculum development, literature review helper, and grant research. So I have downloaded literature review helper. It is downloaded and it's there in my download. Then I was trying to add it using skills, manage, add, upload skills. Where it is asking, it should be a .md file, but the downloaded one is not a .md file.
Ma'am, I will explain you. Actually, you were making some mistakes, I think. Wait, I understood.
Okay, sir.
You need to go to skills, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Skills. Then you need to go to manage skills, ma'am.
Yes.
Then you need to go to add. Then upload a skill, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Then you need to browse it.
Yes.
Then you need to select that literature review helper skill, ma'am. It is working.
Yes, sir. But the for me, the downloaded one is a text document, not a .md document.
Oh, wait, ma'am.
So skill files must have a .skill or zip or .md file extension. So that error is
not .skill only, ma'am.
yes.
Kind of way. Ma'am, literature review helper you have downloaded, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But it is a text file.
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, no issues. If it is a text file, then
Yes.
Sir, I think .md file is also a text file only.
uh, if it is a
MD
text
stands
file,
for it is markdown file, na .md file. We just have to just
yeah.
save the file as .md or .txt. That depends upon our choice.
No, it should be .skill file, Shivang. Wait. Actually, while I was downloading, it was .skill file only. I don't know why it is showing as .txt file. I have. Wait, ma'am, I will help you.
Okay.
But still, I have got literature review helper .skill only. Why it is
Sir, can you please one more details how to get there? Literature review.
Ma'am, kindly hold on. Let me clarify myself.
Sir, skill file is some skill configuration about that particular AI agent, na?
Yeah.
So how do we save that skill file as .md only? We save skill.md. Extension is .md only, as what I remember.
No. That file which is downloadable is .text only. We can do like that. We can just wait. Wait. Kindly give some time. And ma'am, what I'm doing is, ma'am, I just as you said, here also I have got this text file only, ma'am, with the prompt. What I did means I have just copied the content of that text file, okay, and I have created my own skill file, ma'am, by just giving that plus option, go to skill and give skill creator, and I prompted as create skill using this text like that I have given. With that, some literature survey skill is created. So with that, you can attach for later use, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
got it, ma'am?
Copy the content, then go to skill creator. Okay,
Simple,
sir.
ma'am. We need to create a skill file,
Okay.
ma'am. That's all. Very simple.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Sir, can you please tell me how to get this literature? Concerns I downloaded. That is connected. Now what to do?
Ma'am, where you are, which skill, what
The
is the status?
connected this consensus, no?
Mm.
That I connect. That I already there. And I just want to know that this literature, no literature. We were saying we have to download and connect it.
Yeah, yeah. You are asking where it is, right?
Yeah. So what to do for that? Go to plus.
Ma'am, have you got that skill set, skill file from there, ma'am?
Yeah, skill file. In plus we have skill. Yeah, in that one skill creator.
Mm. Mm.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what, sir? It's not coming.
Ma'am, simple. I will just tell you from the beginning. Kindly wait. Actually, what you need to do is you just first import. You just give plus. Go to skill and import skill creator, ma'am. I will just share the screen and I will show you.
Okay.
I think my screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, very simple. What I did is, as ma'am said, I have got this text file, ma'am, for literature survey. What? I have just given like that. Create skill using this prompt like that I have given, ma'am.
Yeah.
And then I have pasted whatever the notepad file I have got, ma'am. Whatever the content of text file I have pasted here, ma'am. And while executing it, it asked how should this relate to the existing. Already review helper skill is there. Should I replace it like that? It asked. I said yes. With that, literature review helper skill is created, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
No, sir. I didn't have that one. Literature review I didn't have. So I'm asking how to reach there, how to get there, how to get it.
Ma'am, that only I said no, ma'am. Ma'am,
No,
simple.
No, sir. You previous the slide time you show no consensus. You are opening and you are showing 3 boxes. No,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
that I'm asking. That how to get it. As of now, I consensus I connected to the cloud. That's only. Just now I want to know as you show the 3 boxes. No.
Oh, you need to know where the MCP is there.
These things how you are getting. That's I'm asking.
Ma'am, that only I have shared in the chat box now, ma'am. You just go to consensus.app/home.mcp, ma'am.
Okay.
You go and scroll down, ma'am.
Okay.
There you can get it, ma'am. It's in my screen now. You can check this. This home/mcp consensus.app/home.mcp. Scroll down before this YouTube video. Underneath YouTube video, you can find this, ma'am. 3 workflows ready to use. Here you can download. My screen visible, ma'am? Ma'am, are you there?
Sir. After that, okay.
Ma'am, otherwise you call me, ma'am. I will explain.
Okay.
Okay. I will explain, ma'am. Okay. I will definitely explain. You kindly call me. We will make it, ma'am. Because as it is, we need to show as a demo. So only I'm requesting.
Okay.
Sorry to disappoint you, ma'am. Because we need to explain from the scratch. Is there anything to ask?